Sorry students, now I am continuing that. So we have to lens in contact that we are creating to the equation. First equation you see that object 1 by image we are produced the 1 by v dash minus 1 by u, it's a object equal to 1 by f1. It's a lens formula only we are taking that why here the diagram is taking the lens 1 formula. So next you see the lens 2 formula. So is a lens 2 formula already I explained. You see that 1 by v minus 1 by v dash equal to 1 by f2. Okay, so now you see that the both equation, the first equation and second, the lens, first lens and second lens you are added. So added means you see that 1 by v dash. So here you see 1 by you see the 1 by v dash. Here the 1 by v dash is a minus. So this one is a cancelled. So the balance what? 1 by v minus 1 by u equal to 1 by f1 plus 1 by f2. This is the concluding the equations. Okay, the combination act as the single lens for the focal length f. So so that for the object that the position O, so you see the position O, the position O2 that O2 that image O, the position of the object O, it's creating to the image I. Okay, so then we have to solve that formula 1 by V minus 1 by U equal to 1 by F. So this is the equation. So this equation substitute to that 6.78 equation. So this is equation you are substitute. Okay, you are find out this point. This equation. Okay, so here you are find out 1 by v minus 1 by f. Okay, so this value we are substitute to that here this equation. Okay, this equation you are substitute. You see this equation you are substitute up 1 by, you see that 1 by v minus 1 by u, what we are taking, 1 by capital F we are taking. Okay, so that's why we are substitute here. So next what come the 1 by balance is equation what 1 by f1 plus 1 by f2. So we are taken to this 1 by f equal to 1 by f1 plus 1 by f2. Okay, so above the equation can you extend the lens, we are taking to the more lens we are keeping means what happen 1 by f1 plus 1 by f2 plus 1 by f3 plus 1 by f4. So dot 1 by fn up to that n, what you are taking the number. So the same like only for the power of the lens also we are taking the power of lens, we are how to calculate p1 plus p2 p plus p3 and what that extents of the p of n also we are taking to that. Okay, so where the p is a net power of the lens combination, the lens is a contact, so the power of the lens combination, it's a lens contact. One should note that the sum is a equation, the algebraic sum, the power of is the individual lens may be a positive. So positive means what is a convergent, right? Positive means it's a convergent, negative means it's a divergent. So combination of the lens helps to obtain divergent or convergent lens of the decide the magnification. So we have to find out the magnification means equal to m equal to what, m1 into m2 m2 3 m3 dot m of n also we are taking to the magnification. So this is the proof. Okay, so next we are going to that next topic. Wait, so next one, you see next one, difference between diffraction and interference. Difference between interference and diffraction. You see that it's a very difficult only for the difference between the interference and the diffraction. It's a very difficult only, but they are given the sum of the point. So interference always the superposition of the two waves. So two waves we are creating the superpositions only. Okay, so diffraction, you know that the bending of the waves. Diffraction means what? Last class you are studying bending of the waves around the edges, around to the edges. Okay, so next you see that. Next you see next point, the superposition of the waves from the two co-current sources. The superposition of the waves to two waves is we are called to that co-currents. From the co-currents we are telling that. Okay, next here that wave front emitted the wave points and that wave front you know that one wave you are thrown to the one stone to the water means creating the wave. That wave it's here some of the source there, the source is creating the wavelets, that wavelets tangent your joint means creating to the wave front. Okay, wow. So again the wavelet wavefront, this like only you are creating that. Okay, next third point you see that equally spaced the fringes. Okay, interference la the equally spaced the fringes, but unequally phased the fringes. You know that Young's models last class also that slit conduct the slit, single slit we have to define, you know. So that that waves is creating the large means what happen, it's a each darkness and brightness is a what happen, that width is a reduced, width is a reduced, is a going along the large part means what happen, it's a reduce that width. So the finally it's a what happen, it's a hidden, finally it what happen, it's a hidden. Okay, wow. So you see that. So next you see next point, intensity of all the bright fringes is almost same. So here the intensity it's creating the more intensity, more fringes, that the fringes intensity is here all the fringes intensity is same only, but here not here same. So why here not same means it's a what, it's a high order, it's going to that what, it's high order, it's going to last edge as going means the high order the intensity what happens hidden to that darkness and brightness. Okay, wow. So next you see that large number of the fringes are obtained. So here you are creating the large number of the, why it's a large number of creating obtained means the intensity is all the one same, but the diffraction it's not a more number, it's a less number only. Why I'm telling means what, that the intensity is a increases means what happened, the long it's a creating the more means the finally it's a hidden that. Okay, ma. So this is a less number of the fringes or the obtains. Okay, ma. Thank you, children.